In today's competitive logistics landscape, aging facilities are under pressure to perform without the luxury of full system replacement. Whether you're operating in industrial logistics or consumer goods logistics, the challenge is the same. How do you maintain throughput, reliability, and efficiency while managing aging infrastructure? At TGW Logistics, we believe the answer lies in proactive, data-driven approach to maintenance services, one that transforms aging assets into long-term performers. And why extend instead of replace? Full system replacement is often disruptive, expensive, and time-consuming. Extending the life of existing assets through targeted maintenance services offers a smarter alternative, and it allows businesses to 1. Avoid costly downtime and operational interruptions, 2. Preserve capital for strategic investments, and 3. Maintain consistent output across logistics operations. By focusing on what's already working and enhancing it, TGW helps clients unlock hidden value in their current systems. And there's multiple ways to do this. Start with a site audit. Prioritize what matters. Every aging site has unique pain points, and TGW begins with a comprehensive site audit to assess mechanical wear, software compatibility, and system bottlenecks. This audit isn't just a checklist, it's a strategic tool for logistics planning. And what do? We identify critical maintenance needs, we align upgrades with business goals, and we use the data we have to guide investment-based decisions. This ensures that every intervention delivers measurable impact and not just temporary relief. Next, let's look at maintenance services that minimize downtime. TGW's maintenance services are designed to both be preventative and responsive. Scheduled programs reduce the risk of unexpected failures. While emergencies happen, protocols ensure rapid recovery when issues arise. How do we do this? Data-driven preventative maintenance extends equipment life. Embedded maintenance teams into the customer's operations working hand in hand. And emergency repairs restore operations quickly, but we find long-term solutions to the developing problems. And our logistics support is available 24/7, 365 days a year. And this dual approach keeps operations resilient even under pressure. Then there is always the topic of integrating software and mechanical upgrades. Modern logistics systems are hybrid environments. These are mechanical components working in tandem with software platforms. TGW ensures that updates are synchronized to avoid compatibility issues and maximize performance. And how do we do this? Software updates enhance control and visibility. Mechanical upgrades improve reliability and speed, and integrated modernization boosts system-wide efficiency. And lastly, we can build a phased plan for long-term return on investment. Extending site life isn't a one-time fix, it's a strategic journey. TGW helps clients build phased improvement plans that balance performance goals with budget realities. Timeline planning ensures steady progress, budgeting avoids resource constraints, and milestones track return on investment and operational gains. This approach turns maintenance into a growth strategy and not just a cost center. Keep your facility productive with TGW's comprehensive maintenance services. Let's plan for performance, not just repairs.